Take the following example. Answer the following questions, Vidya. A. The group desired to enhance the learning experience in schools with an interactive digital medium that could be used within and outside the classroom. B. Then the teacher can act on the downloaded data rather than collect it from each and every student and thereby save his time and effort. C. Editor decided the group of engineers, all alumni of the Indian Institute of Technology, when they founded Editor Technologies in August 2009. D. They can even take tests and submit them digitally using the same tablets, and the teachers in turn can download the test using the company's cloud services. E. With this desire, they created a solution that digitizes school textbooks and other learning material so that students no longer need to carry as many books to school and back as before, but can access their study material on their touchscreen tablets. F. A mechanic works on motors and an accountant has his computer. Likewise, if a student has to work on a machine or device, what should it be called? Vidya, as we can see that A cannot be the first sentence because it mentions the group, which must be a particular group with prior mention in the passage. Vidya, now tell me about sentence B.
Ma'am, B cannot be the first sentence either because it contains the connecting word then, which implies that the sentence is about something that happened after something else had happened.
Very good. Now come to the next sentence. Sentence C says, Editor decided the group of engineers. This means there must be a preceding sentence that tells us that the engineers had some or the other problem on their hands, in response to which they decided as stated in sentence C. So C cannot be the first sentence either, nor can D be the first sentence. Note that the pronoun they is employed here without mention of its intended noun in the same sentence. Also, the use of the expression they can even take tests implies that there must be a preceding sentence talking about something that they could do before they take the said test. After all, we say, I saw film X and I even saw film Y. We cannot say, I even saw film Y and I saw film X.
Yes, ma'am. And E is also ruled out as the first sentence because it contains the pronoun carrying expression, this desire. There must therefore be a preceding sentence that explicitly tells us as to which desire is this desire.
Well done, Vidya. This automatically means F has to be the first sentence of this paragraph. It says that a mechanic works on motors. It is a general statement and does not contain even a single word indicating that it might be referring to something said before it. So now we know that F is the first sentence of this paragraph.